Hi, I'm Stacy. Today I wanted to show you how to make a nice quick quiche. This kind of meal is great for Christmas morning. It's also good if you just want to have brunch or even just later in the day for dinner. So the first thing we're going to do with the quiche is get an unbaked pie shell and have it ready to go. And we're going to put in some of our add-ons into the pie crust. So I'm going to just take a little bit of cheese, put it in the bottom, and some ham. And I like to load it up a little bit more with the ham and the vegetables. And then I've got some bell peppers here, and you can use onions or whatever else that you desire. I've even made them before with some smoked salmon. It turns out wonderfully, by the way. Or you can use some chopped up cooked bacon or whatever else. So once I have a little bit of cheese and these things in it, the meat and the vegetables, then I'm going to mix up 6 eggs and a half a cup of half and half. Now you can use milk or even cream if you'd like, but I like to get the half and half in there. I like the flavor of it anyway. Okay, so once the egg and the half and half is well incorporated, I'm gonna go ahead and add about 1 cup more of cheese to this. I know it seems like a lot, but it's gonna come out really nice and fluffy and taste very good. So here we go. And then we're just gonna pour it over our ingredients and we're gonna bake it. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven on a 350-degree temperature for about 45 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, so our quiche turned out great. The crust is nice and browned. The egg mixture is cooked all the way through. The cheese is melted. Everything is perfect with this quiche. So if you wanted to make this into a low-carb version for those who have diabetes or just on a low-carb diet, all you need to do is create a frittata instead, which a frittata is just basically a crustless quiche. And you're just gonna leave off the crust and you are gonna swap out the half and half for some heavy cream instead. So that would be it. It's a great affordable meal for anybody at any time. Have a good day.